people, this is Untouchable Mama. Hope so na day fine. Una do well, so na take the help me take the share, comment, like. Wanna know verse for na the yes or noise. Na so na see and so na inside character. So I just say me I just quick do this video. When I see this picture where I put for yes, so I will put the video. What happened to this man? This man a pastor, also a trailer driver. So this man, he said he get one certain time. As soon they go for in prayer, this thing where they pray, because he one woman will leg they pay. So he can't stop for the woman place. He can't they pray for the woman. As he pray for the woman finish, he can come out. So he can go in and beneath the pastor there. So why this lady now from Igbo side? So he go work for that side as a trailer driver. So one certain time, after 6 months, he can go to the area where the woman dey. As a good pastor now, he can say, this woman where I really pray for that certain time, may I kukuma reach the place. So he said when he reached there, they can tell and say they one native doctor place where they take care of his where they take treatment for them. So as a person now, where he be saying be pastor, now he can go where the woman dey, where the native doctor has there. Without he not even ask the native doctor, he start to pray for the woman. When I know what it can happen, so now the native doctor call after we don't pray finish for the compound, because inside house native doctor dey. This man not know say native doctor dey for the inside house. So he begin just a prayer in prayer. When he finish the prayer, now native doctor come call and say may he come. He come the video and they ask and say what you do so you don't know say you offend me. You they do your work, me I they do my work. He na native doctor, you na pastor. Before you come pray for my shiran for here, why you not ask me whether I go let you do one? When you not do one, you can't pray. So the man come, na two power now, you understand. Native doctor get your power, why this pastor get your power also. So the man come the verse with this pastor, come the tell and say next time if you want to do something like that, you not tell me not pray. If for ask, say where I dey, so I know say now where she rhyme dey. I feel pray for this woman. So now this man come dey explain himself, say he not just think can go that side for your good. He just want me just pray for the woman, because if I know the woman 6 months ago when he come to this one at time, so he come meet the woman say leg the pain now. So now he come dey pray for her. Now the native doctor come ask and say why you not carry the woman go your why you not carry and go your church where you be say now when you come carry am, now you can't know say you want to come this area, come pray for her. Anyway, my brothers and sisters, me I not just talking too much. They settle the matter friendly without no vaccination. The native doctor tell and say problem not there. Even give her money, say may take enter car. Say just next time you go ask before they do anything, because may you not offend the person will get that she rang. So my brothers and sisters, may I put the video for now, more now watch am.
Okay, who are you?
Pastor Victor Messiah.
Huh?
Pastor Victor Messiah.
From where?
From Benin.
From Benin.
Yes.
What do you come to my house to do?
Okay. This is I met her before at Oba Junction.
Okay.
So getting there on that day, I saw her condition and I prayed with her. Then the other time when I see you pray to her,
Just talk louder.
so after praying with her, then the next time when I came, I saw improvement on her. So that was when the very first time I prayed with her, that was when he gave me this number, this picture, and the name of the back. So I would join her pray. So when I came back for the other time, it was praising that the Lord had done a new thing. So over 8 months to a year now, I'm not be applying this way. I'm a pastor also at the same time. I'm a chapter driver. So getting there today, the Spirit led me to go and ask after her. Getting there, I met only her daughter. I asked after her daughter said she's in play whereby they are treating her. So I thought it's a clinic. So as we were coming, getting here, I see a big panel. So I greeted people that I met there. I went to her. After greeting her, they asked me to sit down. So not to stay long, I asked her, can I be able to pray with you here? He said yes. Is there any, which I, offend people here? He said no. So that was why I started praying. So immediately I was praying, then your voice came. That is how they brought me here. So I don't have right to come and pray in this place. So that was how.
Why, for the first time, for the over 1 year when the thing happened to that woman for like, why carry and go to your house, go pray for her, or for your church? Why carry and go there?
Okay, that is what I'm saying. That I'm a trailer driver. For more than 6 months, my vehicle is that place right now. For more than 6 months, I have not applied this way. So this is my first time this year of applying this way. I just say, okay, let me check out to see our condition.
Okay, you can do pastor, you can drive motor.
I can drive motor also.
Okay.
So that is how I get it.
But you know what you do is not good.
Yes, I get the message because
to come to my shrine, start to the place for another person.
I'm sorry.
You know, say now you find my trouble.
That is why I say I'm sorry. I'm supposed to ask for the authority, not her. But that was the only person I know right now. So that is why I asked her. So assuming he said, okay,
as a woman waiting for entreated, which light do you have to go there where they treat her?
Okay,
and you know say I be traditional man.
Yes, sir.
You know say you define trouble.
I'm sorry, sir. But I'm not trying to defend myself here. But there are other people that will say we should buy pastors. A lot of places.
But this place is a shrine. It's not a church or hospital.
Yes, sir. We also go to other native church like this to pray with people there. Even the other one, they went home to go and resolve issue. It was a native doctor place when his wife, invited us there. We went there, we met with the man. The man gave us authority to pray with the man. After we prayed, then what the Lord revealed, we also speak to him. Then he went to his family.
Why you not tell the woman to come, make you carry and go for a shop or for a house, make you go there to go and pray her?
Okay, sorry, sir. The reason, assuming I asked her and he said no, they will not allow me to pray. I will not do that.
I will leave you because of one condition. Because I know I like pastors.
God bless you, sir.
Because like the same work me and you they work.
That is it, sir.
If it's not the same work me and you they do, this kind of thing you're supposed to go jail for it because I don't know your plan.
God bless you, sir. I did not come with any other plan, but the plan that
no problem. Stop that. If you want to do anything, reach that man where you there for your house because this place is not your house. And you are not from Igbo, say I'm here this side. You are from Benin. Okay, so if you say you are a native doctor, be pastor, so if I come to your house, I go start praying for someone where they sick there.
I'm not believing.
Okay, if you are a doctor, if me a doctor, if I come to your hospital, come to treat someone, you like it?
But in my spiritual array, since I know we are going to say what to heal that person, I will not be offended.
But you have seen the leg have already the heal now.
Yes, I see.
Do you know how many medicine why they put there?
That is why
every day.
I praise God.
Even the woman no give me 1 naira. Do you know?
I know.
No problem. They go and don't worry.
Thank you.
No problem.
Shall we wait?
No problem.
Everyone we want to be treating, they will be healed in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Shall we wait? God will give a long life of prosperity.
Amen.
That which you did not know, the Lord will reveal it more for you to know.
Yes.
So that all person that is here will receive total healing in Jesus' name. Shall we wait?
Don't worry. Goodbye. Come, I give you money for transport. I like what you do, but you're supposed to tell me before anything.
May God bless you.
Yeah,
May God bless you. We shall be well with you.
No problem.
We shall be well with your family.
No problem.
May God bless you.
Thank you. One of folk and the pastors are Chomoku. And all of one national mother Jabia Babylonian net 310 rule. The Bele. Why not what I give in a church here? Manolo. I believe in a woman I asked on the animal, then I meet the police. One day I will probably may arrest the bank, I know what event here. And the 1 month sport. Come forever, I will deal with you automatically. And this kid is now king of the devil. No mortal devil.
My people, that one at the video. So the native daughter with the pastor, they made peace together. So it said make they go. Say next time, and normally now next time, if the pastor want go pray for where he say not be church, not be house, he's supposed to ask, say, am I free to do it? And I know say not be everybody they like. Maybe person they pray for their house. It's like when native daughter, also native daughter say, some people not even they like, even though say native daughter saying they come pray for her. They will say they don't need that. So it good name with the respect person territory. So my brothers and sisters, one love keep us together. Help me to share it. This pastor be don't enter one chance, but thank God everything don't do okay. And where you go not be place in from Edo State, it can go Enugu and be for happen. One love keep us together. Bye bye. Happy blessed day.